Hello guys, good evening. I hope you've been well throughout the weekend. Let's go on with our series of preparation for the Autodesk AutoCAD Certified Professional Exam. And in this tutorial today, we are going to look at inserting blocks as part of the objectives. If you will allow me to open the exam objectives, notice that we have blocks, reusing existing content, work with blocks, manage block attributes. So in this case, we will insert a block, and I have my drawing open, floor plan sample, and you will be asked to go to a particular view. So we'll go to the view tab, and under the named views, we'll go ahead and select the marketing view. And in this case, the question was you insert a particular block, and it was named as a copy machine, I think. So if we go to the insert tab, under insert, under block, let's check for block definitions in here, and you notice that under the block panel and the insert command, I have the copy machine. So we'll go ahead and insert the copy machine block, and yeah, so we've adjusted our view. Here's our view, and I will go ahead and place it at the midpoint of this wall, and then we'll rotate it about the insertion point of the block. That was the question. We'll disable all these other snaps and enable the insertion option only. Then we'll go ahead and type in RO for rotate. Then we will select the insertion point as our rotation base point. Then we will type in 270 as specified in the exam. So that's our machine block, copy machine block in. And the question was, now you measure a distance now from this particular block, one point of the block, to the end of this corner. So in that case, we'll type in DI, distance, and we'll go ahead and measure from go ahead and enable our snaps, this point, this point. Press F2, the distance is 2.79. Control C, and open up your exam software, your exam window, and copy paste. So that's it for today, and let's meet in the next session. Thank you. Have a good day.